Hello friends, in this video, let's look at how to take Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides for maximum benefits. If you are unaware, Vital Proteins is a registered brand name owned by Nestle Health Science and collagen peptides is one of their products. First of all, let's understand what are collagen peptides. Collagen is a key protein that supports your skin, hair, nails, joints and bones. It constitutes 1/3 of the total protein in our body. When this collagen is broken down by hydrolysis, collagen peptides are formed. Coming to the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides product, the collagen peptides are sourced from grass-fed, pasteurized, bovine hide and are hydrolyzed to improve digestibility. They are unflavored, odorless and dissolve easily in both hot and cold liquids, making them a versatile option for everyday use. Coming to how much to take, the recommended serving size is 1 to 2 scoops, 10 to 20 grams per day. Most people find that starting with 1 scoop daily and gradually increasing to 2 scoops works well. Consistency is key for seeing benefits, so aim to incorporate collagen into your routine every day. Looking at the best ways to take it, collagen peptides dissolve well in hot liquids, making your morning coffee or tea a perfect way to take them. Just add a scoop, stir well, and enjoy your daily collagen boost. This method is ideal for a seamless start to your day. If you are a fan of smoothies, adding a scoop of collagen peptides is a great way to increase your protein intake. Combine fruits, leafy greens, yogurt, and a scoop of collagen for a delicious nutrient-packed drink. Collagen peptides can also be added to breakfast foods like oatmeal, yogurt, or overnight oats. This is a simple way to consume collagen without altering the flavor of your meal. Although it dissolves better in hot liquids, collagen peptides can also be mixed into cold drinks like iced tea, lemonade, or even just plain water. Use a shaker bottle or whisk to ensure it blends smoothly. For the more adventurous, collagen peptides can be incorporated into recipes, added to pancake batter, muffins, or even soups and sauces. Since it is heat stable, you won't lose the collagen benefits during cooking. You can take collagen peptides any time of the day, but some people prefer morning to jumpstart their protein intake, while others take it in the evening to support joint and muscle recovery overnight. Timing isn't crucial, so choose what works best for your schedule. With regular use, you may notice improvements in skin elasticity, reduced joint pain, and stronger nails and hair. Results can vary, but many users report visible benefits within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. Collagen peptides also support gut health, making them a great addition if you are focused on holistic well-being. Coming to the tips for maximum effectiveness, stay hydrated. Collagen synthesis in the body works best when you are well hydrated, so make sure to drink plenty of water. Vitamin C aids collagen production, so consuming foods rich in this vitamin or taking a supplement alongside your collagen may enhance its effectiveness. Coming to the potential side effects, most people tolerate collagen well, but some may experience mild digestive upset when they first start. If this happens, try reducing the dose and gradually working your way up. By following these guidelines, you can easily incorporate Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides into your lifestyle and reap all the amazing benefits for your skin, joints, and overall health. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. We hope to see you in our next video.